Hear me, sir. People don't leave a church, people leave a man. The people that left your church are in another church because they came to the church, they couldn't see God. They are looking for God somewhere, and you are the problem. And that's one of the problem of the Pentecostal. That is why the Catholic Church remains the outstanding church, because they do not direct the people to the Reverend Father. They direct the people to the system. They direct them to their God. They direct them to the Elohim that they know. They direct them to Mother Mary. That's what they know. But you directed them to you, and when they saw you, you were not worth it, so they left. Forget about the statistics we see. 100,000 seater, 80,000 seater. Those are not the largest church in Nigeria. There are Catholic settings of 120,000. There are Catholic churches of 150,000. There are Catholic churches of 180,000. They have gone beyond the level of statistics. Statistics and crowd counting is one of the manipulation of the charismatic. They don't count crowd, and that is why you see the Orthodox Church have become